Poppy, welcome back to Girl Talk World. Today I'm so excited, and again it's coming up to Christmas, so I decided I would make a very cute candy cane wreath. So here's what you're going to need. We're going to need to use 22 candy canes, some scissors, some sticky tape. So I've got 11 pieces of sticky tape already. You need some thick cardboard, and we will need PVA glue, some ribbon. I've decided to use purple ribbon today, a ruler. So you're going to need to take 2 candy canes. I'm gonna leave them in their wrappers because I have to keep them like that, and then I'm gonna place them back to back on my table like this. And what I'm gonna do is tape them together at the bottom with some sticky tape. So I might use 2 pieces just because I don't want them to come undone. So I will tape these together like this. So I've taped my 2 pieces of candy cane together. Now I need to do this to all 11 pairs, so I'm using 22 candy canes. Okay, so next I need to get my 11 pairs of candy canes and put them in a circle, but I need to make sure they're as close together as possible. That is about right. We are going to take our cardboard, which I've just taken out of my box, our ruler, our pen, and our scissors. Be very careful with these scissors, and when you're cutting up, make sure you get an adult to help you. We are going to measure and cut 2 rectangles measuring about 9 by 8 centimetres. And then we're going to do another one the exact same. Okay, and then we are going to cut them out. So make sure for this bit you get an adult to help you. So once you have done that, once you've cut out your pieces of cardboard, we're going to take some PVA glue, and we're going to cover this piece of cardboard in PVA glue, and then we're going to stick it on top of the candy canes. So, and then we are going to put it on top of the candy canes. You need to make sure that all of your candy canes are touching so it sticks, and then I'm going to put something heavy on top of it to make sure it all sort of sticks together, and we need to leave it there until it dries, and then we'll turn the candy canes over and do the same thing with this piece of cardboard on the back. So here is one that I made earlier because it takes quite a long time to dry, so I thought I would show you this one. And next we need to get this little cutout that's in Girl Talk Art magazine, along with the instructions of how to make this, and you need to glue it onto this bit of cardboard here. I'm going to glue my snowflake onto the cardboard. I'll try and make sure it sticks down. And once you think that that is stuck, we're going to take a bit of ribbon and we're going to hang it through one of the candy canes. I'm going to hang it through the middle one. And then, ta-da! So it's perfect for Christmas. You can hang it on your front door, your bedroom door, but make sure after you're done with it, you might want to throw it out. But don't eat the candy canes because they'll have been there for a long time. It's so cute, it's easy to do. Just make sure you get an adult to help you with the cutting, and the instructions will be in the issue of Girl Talk Art magazine. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching, and to check out more arts and crafts, go to Girl Talk Art magazine, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the Girl Talk World YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye!